Here I have ALCATEL Pop S3 and let me show you how to set up the screen lock protection on the following device. So at the very beginning, let's start by using your home screen. Tap apps icon right here, find and select the settings. So here I have the settings icon. Let's scroll down and here you can choose lock settings right here. Tap the screen lock. Now you have to decide either you would like to use face unlock, pattern, pin or password. In my case it could be the pattern. So let's draw my pattern, tap continue. Let's do it again, just for confirmation. Now let's tap confirm. You can change some settings, for example, you can make pattern invisible, you can change the automatic lock time, and if you would like to lock your device, just press power key. Now if you would like to unlock your device, you need to input your pattern, let me show you. And that's it. You just unlock your phone, everything went well. Thank you for watching. Please subscribe our channel, leave thumbs up under the video.